This moment I would dedicate it to Anuak people, and what I would like to offer is the keyboard, and I believe that this keyboard is very worthy and very important to you and to me as well. I've been working on this keyboard for almost 4 years now. Well, in 2017, I released this keyboard, and I thought that it will help, but I did not get a chance of releasing it. And today I decided so that I can share with you, and I thought it might help. So let's get into the keyboard. OSK. Okay. Uh, as you can see that on this particular keyboard, we just pop up. You can see that there is only USA or English keyboard or English alphabet on it, and we are going to change this thing. We will convert it into a new keyboard, and I'm going to show you. In our new keyboard, we have 5 alphabets, which are very important, and those 5 alphabets I already insert them in the on the keyboard, right? And if there's any change you would like me to change later on when I show you the keyboard, you are free. And first thing, let's get into it. All right. Uh, Here at the bottom of your computer here, at the right, let me push this thing up a little bit. You can see that. Oh, sorry, please. Sorry, I'm sorry. Okay. There is a US keyboard, there is NUR keyboard, and there's Hanwha keyboard. These are the keyboard that I have right now on the system. The default one is US keyboard, and NUR keyboard and Hanwha keyboard are simple design plus the Mahjong, right? But now it's about Hanwha keyboard because I want everybody to get his hand on this stuff, all right? Uh, it will blow your mind, right? I try to make it easy to be used. All right, I don't use complicated way. I simply need a easy way so that anybody should get this easy or a chance of typing on their own language in easy way. So try to look on the keyboard on the screen. What will happen when I press on your keyboard? Uh, Remember, uh, we are using GIS, all right? Amharic GIS. uh, and those who design and program Amharic GIS, they are very intelligent, right? Enough to program it in a way that it capture people's mind, right? You understand? And for me as well, I try to do the same way, the same process, all right? But the problem is that people are not noticing the job or the hard work I'm doing right here. But simple, I will give it for free. That's no problem. I just want you to take this opportunity so that you will use it. Maybe tomorrow you have somebody who can design better. It's all right. But for now, it's very important. Okay. Let's go to our new keyboard. Let me click and see. All right. Sorry. It is not changing. So I'm gonna do this. First thing, I will close and say it again. OSK. Okay. Sorry. Please forgive me. All right. US keyboard and say OSK. All right. It appears as you can see. Let me go to this Anua keyboard. Very nice. Okay. Now you can see that from the keyboard right here, we have this particular alphabets which is not actually in the in the keyboard before, but the Anya people, they access it using shortcut. I don't know what shortcut they've been using, but to me, I think this is the easy way of doing the job, because that O is simply for Q, right? I substitute it in a place of Q. The same thing here. I substituted it place of F. This place of S, and this is place of F. Is still F. I did not change anything. H, O, A, and so on. Right. So you have any change that you want to make later on, it's okay. You are free to suggest. But for now, this thing is for you and for you only. And the change might come later on when you find out that there's other ways around to accept the letters. All right, you can be free to suggest that. So what we're going to do now, and the easy way of typing this, I will go direct to a document or office. All right, without any without wasting time. Microsoft Office. So this is the office. All right, so what we have to do here, you can simply put this, sorry, all right, this, all right, so you can enlarge it. This is how it will appear when you are typing. Okay, I don't know whether this is how you can type the result. If not, because I want to be sure that it is. All right, I don't know whether this is how you can type, but I think it makes sense right now. You can do anything. You can type any word in Anuak, as long as you have the guideline which you how to access the key on the screen keyboard. But make sure that you get the software so that it will help you out. And thank you for maybe watching, and share with friends. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, please dislike it. Comment, suggest anything which you might be thinking that is good for me to move on. And if there's another ways of suggesting, maybe I can change on the screen keyboard or on your keyboard, please feel free to tell me. I'll be happy to help. All right, thank you again, and may God bless you and God bless you. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye.